Now then, let's not waste these livers from fish liver. You can see they're a healthy liver. There's no marks on them or holes through them or anything that wiggles. And I'll show you what I do with my liver. Not my liver, my fish liver. First of all, do a bit of toast. It needs to be switched on. Right, toast is done. When very slightly underdone, and then you don't have to put margarine on if you don't want to, but I like to put a little bit extra on, just to moisten up all the outsides. Okay, then spread it about a bit. Now that is going in the microwave. Now I'm going to put it on 30 seconds, but on grill and ping. So, oh, I've done it wrong way around, haven't I? Grill, 30 seconds, ping. You could, of course, just simply fry it. But I'm so impatient. Now, just give it a test and see if it has spread. If it does, I reckon that needs just another few seconds. Ten seconds on grill. So grill, 10 seconds, go. There we go. There we are. And then if you wish, I like to put a bit of Vegemite or Marmite on mine, just to give it a bit of salty flavour. There we go. There we are. There we go.